Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to catch these quick runners. So with that being said, let's hop right into this video. Today basically started out really slow. I know a lot of people that trade the markets every day were really debating on whether to trade or not. These are 2 minutes. This is a 2 minute chart. 10 days, 2 minutes. So each candle is 2 minutes, just in case anybody didn't know. But look at this thing. This thing is at $14. It's been halted, and it seems to just broke a new high, and we're breaking new highs as we speak. I am not in this right now. It's too high for me. I refuse to chase. Just like I teach, I wouldn't teach you to be jumping in this right now. But there is a ton of volume, and that is a key factor. So we don't even need to go there. We can just go right in here and see this. This was the play that I made. I watched it pop up into here. I actually let it keep running a little bit, and I got it on the pullback at 50. So it did go below it actually. When I did get it in at 50, and I actually just waited it out, and it finally started popping back through. But I didn't buy it on these first three candles. I was really waiting for this support right here. I was wanting to see if it was going to support right there, but as soon as it started popping up, I did buy in, because as soon as it breaks this right here, this top of this candle wick, and that's another reason why I did buy it. These things do just have that tendency to pop and go. So I actually ended up selling it right in here, half of it at $5.90. I did get lucky on this fill, not gonna lie. I got partial filled, and then it came back down, and I was waiting to see whether I was still up 10 cents. So my stop loss was really $5.50 again, just to break even on the rest of my shares. And then it ended up popping big, and I didn't hold it forever. I actually sold it at $7.50. So that's at 1 point a share. I thought, honestly, when I was going to get to this 50 point, it was just going to kind of pull back for just a second and keep it down a little bit and maybe have another run tomorrow. But as you can see, this one got a ton of volume, and it just kept running. We are at 15, 20 now, 27, and we just keep climbing for some reason. Yes, it does pull back and then pop back up, but if we look, let's go to a 5 minute chart. See if we can get these candles in here. This thing has just been straight up, it seems like, all day, and it's just catching more and more momentum. Now, do I think it's going to slow down at the end of the day? More than likely, but as you can see, it's got a ton of news. It's got a ton of volume rolling through. I mean, we're talking millions of shares on, obviously. As you look at this level 2 down here, you're seeing these things just go crazy. The spreads, not even that far apart, but we're just going through, and it did create that new high at 1583, and we're probably more than likely going to break that again. As you watch, we do have a 1580, 1594, 1585, and there we go. We're going to test new highs right here. We can't seem to get filled in there, but it does look like it's going to happen, guys. I'm not going to play it just because I don't feel comfortable with it, but that's today's lesson. These Momo trades, momentum trades, Momo, whatever you want to call it. People have Momo scanners, that's what they call it. But so if you ever hear Momo, basically momentum going through, there's a ton of volume, and they just catch fire, whether it's even on really good news. There we go. We broke that 1590, and that was in $16. Just boom, just popped straight up to it after that. So as you can see, this thing is just breaking and breaking and breaking for new highs. I could have had literally like a $10,000 day today on just this one, but it didn't happen. I played it safe. I took my small trade, but that being said, that's what can happen when they get halted on these late day momentum, and that means they can run. They got all eyes on it, especially these late days. It's only 104. I do imagine it'll maybe get a little higher, and then it'll settle down a little bit towards the end of the day. That's just my prediction. I could be completely wrong on that one. I'm not a great late day trader. I'm a great morning trader, and that's where I make all my money. Make that very clear. All my students, not all of my students, most of my students played this morning and had great results. Um, Sadly, one of my best students won't let me post anything, just because he doesn't want his family and friends to know how much money he does. I completely understand that. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Lately, these momentum plays have been great, so you just have to keep an eye out. If I keep looking over here, it's because I have another screen over here that I'm kind of watching. But with that being said, guys, be looking for more posts. I have a Father's Day sale going on for my course, so if you DM me on Instagram, which is in the description below, you can get my course for $150. It's both courses. It's a bundle. It's only going to last till Wednesday because it's way too cheap. I've already had multiple people jump all over. I didn't really advertise it, but I am going to let you guys know that that is a deal. So with that being said, thank you guys all for watching. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.